Hello, this is a little video on a rheem tankless water heater. This is your RUC 98, if you can see that. A little bit about the control panel here. That's the highest I can set it right now, but there are settings inside where you can make it much hotter, but that's pretty much what you, for normal use. Right there, 104 is great for a shower, something like that. Very easy to use. Let's see. You really want to have a professional install this thing unless you're very handy. I usually do most of my plumbing, but I'm glad I had this one professionally installed. This is a condensing unit. Got the twin pipes. It's nice. You'll need 3/4 inch gas line going to this thing. Also, you'll need some 3/4 inch copper or whatever you use. Let's see, you need good water pressure coming into your house. I can't remember. Let's see, 60 to 120. That's just a guess. So you want to make sure that's right. And I'll go ahead and turn something on, and it's very quiet. Let's see here. Yeah, it just kicked on. Got a little condensation that comes out here. You can deal with it a different way. That's fine with me. I have a drain right there. Very, very nice. Kind of expensive to have this thing put in, but I think it's going to last a long time and save me some money monthly. Now, right now I have very hot water. Great. Is that perfect for a shower? Something else going here. Get the washer going too. So I got very hot, or it's just right. Wasting a little water. I'm just showing you how it works. Very nice thing to own. Glad I did it. Rheem is one of the top makers. There's others that rheem makes a great unit. Jacuzzi makes a great unit. So, hope you like that. Hope you helped you make a buying decision on a new water heater. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.